G harmonic minor. G harmonic minor, just like G natural minor, has two flats, B flat and E flat. The natural minor scale has a flatted seventh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And our harmonic minor has a natural seventh. It uses the leading tone to get back to our starting. And that's our harmonic minor scale, our G harmonic minor scale. And you may notice that the fingering is regular fingering. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the left hand, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crossover. 3, 2, 1. And descending. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's our G harmonic minor scale. But let's play it at 60 beats per minute with both hands. One, two, ready, and. And there it is, 1 octave, your G minor harmonic scale. Has a very nice sound to it. And we also have harmonic minor in 2 octaves. Now for 2 octaves, again, we follow similar pattern. After 4, 1 in our right hand, we come back over to 2, 3. Now for our left hand, again, the fingering is as standard fingering. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And descending. 1, 2, 3, thumb under. 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb under. 1, 2, 3, thumb under. 1, 2, 3. We see that our fingering for our G harmonic minor is our regular fingering that we see for so many other scales. But I find that when I play it a little differently when I'm playing it in 2 octaves descending with my left hand. I start on my first finger, I descend, but then after I get here, I personally play my first finger there. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how I play it. I'm not necessarily suggesting that that's the way you play it. You should go ahead and play it as it is written, as the diagram indicates. But if you find it a little easier to do it this way, then by all means, knock yourself out. It shouldn't be an issue. And a similar sort of thing goes with other scales as well. Depending on your hand size and shape, you may have to make minor adjustments to the scales as you're learning them. But for the most part, go for the scales as they are written in the diagrams. That's usually the best way to go for it, and only make alterations if necessary. So let's see what our G harmonic minor sounds like with our backing track.